guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Air Jordan 36. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at Jordan Line's newest basketball sneaker, the Air Jordan 36. We got this in the black hyperviolet white colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's a US men's 8.5 and it's a European 42. And just before we get unboxing, this looks like a traditional pull-out box. You can see that hole there. Like you, I thought you need to pull it out, but no. It's them new, like, unboxing. I don't know how to, well, it uses a hook and loop system to put it, because you're not allowed to say V words, apparently. But yeah, so you got the Jordan Jumpman logo here. For the life of me, I didn't know what that said at the top of the box, but it said 36. Thank you for pointing it out to me, Jeff. Got the Air Zoom logo there as well on the box. It's a really nice box, futuristic, like the Air Jordan itself, and we'll show you right here. You're gonna have to take my word, guys, this is really lightweight, which is different, because you guys know, like, if you've seen our past reviews, know me as a person, know us as a collective. Here at Oneupreviewz, we like our retro Jordans, but these are really dope. First looks, I can see tons of technology, so we'll just run it by with you guys right now. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got that nice fluorescent orange color, and you got the multi-directional traction patterning. It's herringbone anyway. Jumpman logo there at the middle, and you can see the Air Zoom right there. There's a little pocket of Air Zoom that's at the heel. That's not the only place where there's Zoom Air technology. So looking at the midsole unit, so the midsole unit is essentially, it's a foam that encompasses the Zoom Air units, and there is just underneath the insole, where you can't see unless we take it out, but there's a full length Air Strobel, Zoom Air Strobel board underneath to give you that cushioning, and Michael Jordan loved Zoom Air. Also, you got a Zoom Air pocket in the forefoot. You can kind of see the silhouette when you look at the outsole, this mold there essentially, and you can see the exposed shank plate that's there for your stability, and it really is exposed. There's a gap in between the shank plate and the sneaker. Looking at the upper, so this upper is made out of a jacquard leno weave, and it's all around, it's all textile materials. You can kind of see through it. It's very minimal in regards to the materials used. There's bits of heated plastic at the toe box that you can see there. It's in this nice purple colorway, and with this orange it kind of complements it. And I don't think there's any Air Jordan basketball players at Phoenix, could be wrong, but this is like something, if back in the day when athletes, well, basketball players had to wear their team's colors in their shoes as well, I don't see this being used by anyone else but the Phoenix Suns players. With the NBA relaxing their laws of what sneakers they could wear, I'm pretty sure Luka Doncic, or who's another Air Jordan, Zion Williamson, will be wearing these 36s. I'm sure they have, but I haven't seen them wear them yet. Anyways, moving on to the tongue and the lacing system. You got a traditional lacing system there. You got microfiber materials that make this tongue, so you can see it with this hoop system there, right there, and you can see a Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue. Also, around the ankle support and, well, where the microfiber materials are, you can see it around the sneaker. There's these two bands that will keep your feet just in place and make sure that you're stable. Tongue is nicely padded. A great little touch that they put in the inside of the tongue is the Air Jordan logo that is reminiscent, well, it's very familiar if you've got a pair of Air Jordan 7s or 6s. It's that lettering that's used. At the back, you got the 36 logo. You got this little plate here with the Jumpman logo as well. Right here in the pull tabs, very, very nice touch. The Infinity logo that's on the lateral side. And just again on that pull tab there, you got the Nike Air logo. You can barely see it, but it's in there. Foam insole in the fluorescent orange colorway, and just like I mentioned beforehand, underneath that there is a full-length Zoom Air strobe board that's there for your comfort. All that said, I can't wait to try these on. This is going to be mostly used on the basketball court, I think. Guys, if you want to see us do some performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. The more people that get into contact with us and tell us do some performance reviews, we'll be happy to oblige. All that said, can't wait to try these on. Roll that footage of me trying these 36s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get a true to size fit. Although you can kind of see there's a bit of a space where my toes are. In regards to the comfort, it kind of feels like it's digging on the top part of my right foot. But the left seems alright, but it's just that. Apart from that, my feet are fully locked down. I don't see these escaping when I'm doing explosive movements or going to be running up and down the court or jumping for a dunk. I can't dunk, by the way, just saying that for the jokes. Other than that, it's pretty cool on. I've tried on many more comfortable basketball sneakers. These are probably better performance-wise than obviously retro Jordans. However, I'm pretty sure I can get a better present day model. That's not knocking this model, by the way, but you can get better, more comfortable sneakers on the market. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.